Good morning, this is Creators Academy Nursery. This is the senior class and this is Dina Hassan. We're going to have a Montsouri class. It will be brushing and rubbing our table and then cleaning it again. This is very important for the kids. It strengthens their muscles from their hands. And for all the kids love to imitate the adults. They love to make like mommy when she washes the table. It's very nice that they're going to feel the bubbles, how fluffy is the bubbles and all the material. And it's fun as well. Join us to see the rest of the video. For this exercise, we're gonna need some water, okay, some soap detergent, a sponge, preferably a rough one, okay, a towel, a dry one, any color you like, and a dish, an empty one. Now, we're gonna put some of this. Wow! Yeah. I'm gonna add some water. Yeah, very nice. And I'm gonna use the sponge with both my hands to make bubbles. Yeah, we need much bubbles here. Wow. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. Then I'm gonna squeeze it gently. Then I need to rub both hands. You see, the kid is going to use both hands, which is very nice for his muscles, bubbles, and to touch the material we are gonna use. It's very nice for our muscles and for the elbow muscles as well. And now I'm gonna use the towel from the left to the right, or from up to down. Like this. Left to the right. From the left to the right. From the left to the right. And that's it. I'm gonna put it back. Every kid has to learn how to put everything back to its place.
Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
I hope you liked our video today. The kids had so much fun and we laughed a lot. Please like the video and subscribe in our channel, please. Thank you.